Hi everyone, today we're taking the car outside to trim some more panels. Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. As I've been saying, I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. I know there's a lot of people who watch these videos, would love it. It would really help out if you actually hit the subscribe and the bell notification. And let's see if we can hit 10,000 by the end of December, the end of this year. That'd be awesome. So today I'm bringing the car outside so I can actually trim some panels. What I need to do is match the driver's side fender and cut that up to kind of match the other passenger side fender, which is already cut in. And then also I left those little lips that are on the fenders, and I want to sand those off and kind of see how the car is going to look with that much fender on it. And it's one of these things that I have to do it incrementally because, one, I don't want to go too far because I don't want to re-fiberglass stuff back out. And two, I'm a visual person, so sometimes it's like instant and sometimes it's like, man, I need to sit on this for a week and just see what it looks like. So we're going to dig into that today. And then, of course, also I have the seams of the molds of the fiberglass that just has a lot of holes and pits and stuff like that, and stuff's been popping. So what I need to do is carve all that stuff out, and we'll fill it in later, but at least it's a good bond. There's nothing that's going to pop out. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. All right, so we took our stab at cleaning this up, and you can still see there's some pinholes that are there, but for the most part, I got all the uneven areas at least sanded. You know, there might still be a little bit of a ridge, but for the most part, it's sanded. But there's a few spots where the holes are so deep that I didn't want to go too far. And the worst spot is still in this area. And again, it's so deep that I just didn't really want to dig in that far. But otherwise, all the other areas are pretty good. And then, of course, you know, we cut this up. And I think it's matching pretty well. Of course, I got to figure out exactly how I'm going to finish this edge. But I got, for the most part, I would say 99%, 98% of that lip off of there. And, you know, since this came down and then out, that's why you're seeing this white lip right there, because it's going vertical right now, if you will. But it's looking pretty good. It's matching pretty well. So, and, you know, I did this one too. So it's working out pretty well. So I definitely want to get this reviewed by Greg to see where we go from there on that. And then my next thing is tackling the windows. However, you know, this door has a little bit of a pull out on it, but for the most part is good. It's really lining up well. But this other door is really twisted, and you know, I have it in there, and it's just, I mean, you can see it's in there and it's way out there, and it really doesn't want to go any further in. So this door might be a do-over. They might need to send me another door. Early on in the process, everybody was saying they were having problems with the driver's side door, that they were all twisted up and, you know, something wrong with the mold or whatever it was. And I verified a few things that the factory told me to verify, and I decided that no, I'm immune to that problem. But the more I see this thing sitting here, it just seems to get worse and worse. As I'm tightening things up, this isn't coming in and tightening up. It's just staying where it is. And so, not sure what to do with this one. So we'll have to see. But that decision has to be made pretty soon, because time's a wasting at this point. So, and you know, the car looks great, taking up only one spot instead of the whole garage. So I've really, you know, got all this space now, and makes me want to have it vertically in the garage instead of horizontal in the garage. So in a sense, or at least 90 degrees. So we'll see about that. We'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll flip this thing around.